How are you guys doing today? My name is Kevin and today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken, potato, carrot dinner in a crock pot. You can also make this same thing in an Instant Pot or pressure cooker, just change the amount of cook time. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing we're gonna mix up is the seasoning and marinade mix. You're gonna take about a half cup of olive oil, add that to your little mixing bowl. Then to that bowl, you're gonna add a teaspoon of oregano. Next, you're gonna add 2 cloves of crushed garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, just use garlic powder. Next, you're gonna add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. You're also going to take 1 whole lemon, cut it in half, squeeze in all the juice. If you accidentally get any seeds in there, just take them out. All right, stir up that seasoning mix. Set that to the side for now. To the crock pot, we're gonna add 3 chicken breasts. Ideally, the chicken breast would be thawed and with the skin removed. Today, mine is frozen because I don't have thawed chicken breast right now and it does have the skin on. It's gonna be fine though. Next, we're gonna take about 10 red potatoes, kind of on the smaller medium size. I already washed them. Now you're gonna chop them into fourths and then toss them in the pot. Next, you're gonna add a handful of carrots. Today I got these fancy special cooking carrots with the little green things on the end, but you can just use regular carrots. But today I felt extra special and got these super fancy ones. I already washed and peeled these, so I'm just gonna set them in. Next, we're gonna add 1 yellow onion. I'm gonna chop it up kind of into little cubes like how I did the potatoes. Add those to the pot. All right, we're getting close to the end. Now, that marinade that we made earlier, we're gonna pour that into the pot. Pour it all over all the vegetables as best you can. Give the whole thing a little extra splash of olive oil, as well as another few shakes of all the spices. Also, take those 2 lemon halves that you have and toss them on in the pot for a little extra flavor. All right, now we're gonna put the lid on. Turn your crock pot to high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. And try not to take off the lid and look at it that much while it's cooking because you're gonna wanna preserve all the heat and all the steam to keep all those potatoes cooking fully through. I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know if you made any alterations that made it better or worse. And until next time, I will see you guys later.